My name is John Erickson, represented by MKM, auditioning for the role of Luke. That's enough, Detective.
Luke, you're here. Thank goodness. I didn't know Miss Longford was represented.
Where is she? You were in the room the whole time?
Yes.
Did you see her?
I think I heard her watching stuff on her phone. What is it, Luke?
They say they have evidence to tie her to the crime, but they won't say what it is.
Don't they have to tell us?
No. Not until we prepare for trial.
That's not fair. What happens now?
They're going to charge you. But since you're a minor, you'll likely go on house arrest until trial.
Mom? It's okay, honey. We'll figure this out.
I have to ask you, Haley, did you kill Abby?
No, I swear.
Okay. I'll go see about how they're going to handle the house arrest. I appreciate you were still planning this event.
I need to keep busy, and it's a good distraction. I've chosen these centerpieces, which look beautiful with the chandeliers in the room.
Totally.
The servers will wear these uniforms, which I think creates an elegant look. And the band is all set to go with standards from the 40s. Should be quite the fair.
It all sounds great.
You have no idea what I'm talking about, do you?
Nope. But I trust that you do.
Thanks. And I trust you with Haley's case.
How is she doing?
Bored, angry, confused. She's just a teenager, you know?
Yeah, poor kid. How are you doing?
I'm just trying to survive, get through to trial. Any developments?
The prosecution and I have both interviewed some witnesses. Soon they'll be letting us know what kind of evidence they have and maybe offer some kind of plea bargain.
But she didn't do it. We have to go to trial so she can be found innocent.
I know this is really frustrating, but we have to let the process play out. I promise you, I'll do the best I can for her.
I've gotta go. I need to stop by and pick up some stuff at school.
What kind of stuff?
From her gym locker. Coach Chris said the police have finally released her belongings, so I'm going to pick them up.
Okay. Can you take a picture of what they send home with you? And don't get rid of any of it.
Yeah, good idea.
It smells really good.
Thanks. I know this is a tough day. I thought we could all use a little treat.
Gina's murder was quite a shock.
A murder? It was a suicide.
No, it was a murder. I talked to detectives. There was no way she could have tied that shoelace around her neck like that.
But there was a note.
Written by the killer, probably.
You sure Gina was murdered?
Yes. It was set up to look like a suicide.
So the killer is still out there. But Gina took credit for Abby and Chris's murder. It was going to clear Haley.
We need to figure out who it could be. That way, we can provide an alternate theory at trial.
Who would want to clear Haley's name?
I don't know. It might not be about that. In fact, I would say that they were actually trying to set her up if she wasn't under house arrest.
Oh no.
What?
I just found out, I swear.
Michelle.
Haley has been able to remove her ankle monitor for a while now. I came home today and she was out running.
No. Please tell me you were joking.
I thought it wouldn't matter now that the case seemed to be resolved.
She was out of the house today? When Gina was murdered?
Yeah.
Tell me honestly. Do you believe Haley?
I know my daughter is innocent, Luke.
Okay. I need to talk to her. Now.